Mr. Billy Flynn in the press conference rag. Notice how his mouth never moves. Almost.
Where'd you come from?
Mississippi,
And your parents?
very wealthy,
Where are they now?
6 feet under.
But she was granted one more start.
The convent of the Sacred Heart.
When'd you get here?
1920,
How old were you?
don't remember.
Then what happened?
I met Amos and he stole my heart away. Convinced me to elope one day.
Who's Fred Casely?
My ex-boyfriend,
Why'd you shoot him?
I was leaving
Was he angry?
like a madman. Still I said, Fred, move along.
She knew that she was doing wrong.
Then describe it
He came toward me
with the pistol.
from my bureau
Did you fight him?
like a tiger.
He had strength and she had
And
none.
yet we both reach for the gun. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, we both, oh yes, we both, oh yes, we both reach for the gun, the gun, the gun, the gun. Oh yes, we both reach for the gun, for the gun.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, they both, oh yes, they both, oh yes, they both reach for the gun, the gun, the gun, the gun. Oh yes, they both reach for the gun, for the gun.
Understandable, understandable. Yes, it's perfectly understandable. Comprehensible, comprehensible. Not a bit reprehensible. It's so defensible. Let me hear it.
Oh yes, they both reach for the gun, for the gun.
A little louder.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, they both, oh yes, they both, oh yes, they both reach
Oh
for
yeah.
the gun,